Let's make this super moist and absolutely delicious banana bread. Start by preheating your oven at 170 degrees centigrade around 10 to 15 minutes before you start baking. Now to a bowl add banana and mash, add brown sugar, plain yogurt. The yogurt makes it moist, don't skip this. Add melted unsalted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix together until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Now for the dry ingredients, add salt, baking soda, and all-purpose flour. Sift to remove any lumps. Now mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Transfer the banana bread batter into a lined baking pan. And finish with some sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 45 to 50 minutes or until an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Remove from the oven once baked and allow to cool for around 10 to 15 minutes before you remove from the mold. And enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.